Can cats and dogs really be friends? The scientific reason why cats and dogs can't be friends. Cats and dogs have long been considered to be natural enemies of each other. That's because, according to the beliefs of ancient Egyptians, cats were seen as gods who would hunt mice, while dogs were viewed as unclean animals that would hunt cats. This tension between the two species has led some people to believe that they are not capable of being friends with one another. But are cats and dogs really incapable of being friends? It was once thought that cats and dogs could not be friends. Now scientists have found that this might not be the case. Observation and behavioral studies show that cats and dogs can form close, long-term friendships with each other. Dogs and cats can live harmoniously together if they are raised with each other. However, dogs and cats who were not raised together may be inclined to fight or fear one another. Animal behaviorists have studied the interactions of these two animals and came to a conclusion that cats and dogs represent different food sources for each other. Cats would prefer eating birds, while dogs' natural prey is wild rabbits or squirrels. Cats would also not hunt rodents in the same way dogs do, since they hunt high up on trees where the prey is less visible. This has caused a huge divide between them which can't be made up with time or training. The animal theory: why cats and dogs might not always get along. Cats and dogs have a complicated relationship. One of the most popular examples of this is the cat and dog meme. The meme is a graphical representation of what we know about the nature of cats and dogs. Cats are independent, sneaky, and want to do their own thing, while dogs want to be around people as much as possible. As such, they often don't get along well with each other because they both want different things from their environment. However, some cats and dogs do get along just fine. Some pet experts will say that cats and dogs are just too different to get along. Cats are independent while dogs are pack animals. Cats can be territorial while dogs are territorial. It is also believed that cats don't like the smell of dogs' food, while dogs might not like the smell of cat food. Cats and dogs have been shown to be able to get along, but there are some cases where they might not get along well. The two animals might have different behaviors, needs, or other factors that make them less compatible for living together in one household. 5 ways to make cat-dog friendship work in your home. Number 1. Keep cat food off the floor. Number 2. Consider using a litter box for your cat that is separate from the litter box being used by the dog. Number 3. Don't let your cat out of the house. Number 4. Give your cat an extra litter box in a different location. Number 5. Place all of your pet's food bowls on one side of the room to avoid fighting over food containers. This conclusion is based solely on the objective opinion of our brief study. So what do you think? Give your opinion in the column below. Your opinion will be very helpful for us and other friends.